How to fix Bluetooth not working on MacBook. So here is a quick run through starting with the simplest fixes first. That is simply toggle Bluetooth off and on. All you have to do is tap on the menu bar of your MacBook and there is Bluetooth icon. Turn off the Bluetooth and wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. After that, all you have to do is simply try restarting the device. All you have to do is tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen, then tap on the restart and confirm the restart process. Reboot your Mac and power cycle the accessory. Half of the time this alone does it. So now once done so, all you have to do is tap on the Apple icon again at the top left corner of your screen and from the drop down menu tap on the system settings or system preferences according to your MacBook version. Then once in there at the left hand side panel, simply tap on the general option available there and inside general you can see software update option available there. Tap on it and if any update is available then simply tap on the update and install it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.